Hello students, welcome back. In previous video we have completed the first life process, that is nutrition. So today we will read about second life process, that is respiration. So today's topic is respiration. Let's start. So students, what is respiration? Actually in previous video we have completed nutrition, and in nutrition we take food inside our body and then we get energy from that food. So actually in respiration, reaction in which energy release from food in cells. Okay, so in respiration we get energy from the food which absorbed by our body. Okay, so there are two types of respiration. First one is aerobic respiration, second is anaerobic respiration. So starts from aerobic respiration. So what is aerobic respiration? It takes place in the presence of oxygen to produce energy. So this is a one type of respiration, that is aerobic respiration. So actually aerobic respiration required oxygen. Okay, so oxygen is very essential for aerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration take place in the presence of oxygen and then it will give energy. So what is the reaction actually? So this is the reaction. Glucose. Okay, so glucose, what is glucose? It means our food. Okay, so our food is occur in the form of glucose generally. So when glucose react with oxygen, and from where we get oxygen? From environment. And during respiration when we inhale oxygen, so that oxygen which we inhale, which we take inside our body, that oxygen react with glucose which occur in our cell, which occur in our body. So when glucose react with this oxygen, it will give carbon dioxide, CO2, water molecule, H2O, and energy. Okay, so in the presence of oxygen, glucose when react with oxygen, it will give carbon dioxide, water, and energy. And energy, you can see here, I write 38 ATP. So what is ATP? ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Actually ATP is a energy currency. So energy which released during this reaction actually stored in this ATP molecule. Okay, and how many ATP molecules? 38 ATP. Okay, so in aerobic respiration take place in the presence of oxygen, and when oxygen react with glucose, it will give CO2, water, and energy. How many? 38 ATP. Okay, now second is anaerobic respiration. Second type of oxygen is second type of respiration, that is anaerobic respiration. So anaerobic respiration, so in anaerobic respiration take place in the absence of oxygen to produce energy. So anaerobic respiration is not required oxygen. It takes place in the absence of oxygen. So oxygen is not essential for anaerobic respiration. But in anaerobic respiration there are two way. Okay, anaerobic respiration take place in two way. So first way is in yeast and बैक्टीरिया. बैक्टीरिया और ईस्ट में एक टाइप का रेस्पिरेशन मिलता है विच इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ एनाएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. बट व्हाट विल हैपन इन दिस रिएक्शन एक्चुअली? So in this reaction glucose break down in the absence of oxygen. Okay, in the absence of oxygen glucose break down and it will give first one is alcohol, and second is carbon dioxide, and third is 2 ATP energy. So in the absence of oxygen, which is generally occur in yeast and bacteria, in this reaction glucose molecule break down into alcohol, also called ethyl alcohol. Okay, C2H5OH. there is C2H5OH, also called ethyl alcohol. Okay, so in the absence of oxygen, glucose breaks down into alcohol, carbon dioxide, and very less amount of energy, that is 2 ATP only. Okay, okay bachcho, as I have told that in aerobic respiration 38 ATP molecule release in aerobic respiration when glucose break down in the presence of oxygen. But when glucose break down in the absence of oxygen, it give 2 ATP energy molecule, and along with alcohol and carbon dioxide. So this reaction also called fermentation reaction. Students, as I have told you that anaerobic respiration take place in two way. So first way is in yeast and bacteria, and so second is in muscles. In muscles during heavy physical exercise. So anaerobic respiration, this is our second kind of anaerobic respiration which occur in our muscle, but when during heavy physical exercise, yeah, when we continuously doing some physical work, so at that time our muscles do not get sufficient amount of oxygen. So that time our muscles, in the insufficient amount of oxygen, in the presence of insufficient amount of oxygen, our muscles gives this type of anaerobic respiration, and in this type glucose break down into lactic acid and less amount of energy, that is 2 ATP. Okay, so both are same. In this 2 ATP energy release in, and in this all, and in this also 2 ATP energy release. But what is the difference? This reaction in first case, in first case this reaction occur in absence of oxygen, and this reaction occur in lack of oxygen. It means in the presence of insufficient amount of oxygen. Okay, and this reaction occur in muscles and this reaction occur in yeast. And what will be the product? So when it occur in our muscles, the glucose break down in the presence of lack of oxygen, break down or glucose break down to lactic acid and 2 energy 2 ATP molecule. I repeat, students, I repeat that anaerobic respiration occur in two ways. First is in yeast and bacteria, in which glucose molecule break down in the absence of oxygen into alcohol, carbon dioxide and 2 ATP energy molecule. And in second case, which occur in our muscle during heavy physical exercise. So in this second case, glucose breakdown in the presence of insufficient amount of oxygen, glucose breakdown into lactic acid and 2 ATP energy molecule. Okay, so students, and in some time when we running very fast continuously and doing any heavy physical exercise, so you feel, sometimes you feel a very severe pain in your leg, right? And this pain is called this is called actually muscle cramp. Okay, so actually what happens in muscle cramp? So because when we doing very physical work and very continuously very heavy exercise, so that time our muscles do not get sufficient amount of oxygen, and at that time, in the presence of lack of oxygen, our muscle cells in our muscle cells, glucose molecule break down into lactic acid. Okay, glucose molecule break down into lactic acid, and very less amount of energy release also, that is 2 ATP. So this lactic acid is the causes of our muscle cramp. So accumulation of lactic acid causes muscle cramp. यहाँ पे आप लैक्टिक एसिड का फॉर्मूला लिख सकते हैं. सॉरी आई फॉरगेट. यहाँ पे होगा सी, एक सेकेंड, लिखेंगे C3H6O3. This is the formula of lactic acid. So let's summarize these steps in this flow chart. Actually sometimes a question comes in examination like write the pathway of breaking down of glucose. Okay, so breakdown of glucose by various pathway. In the very first stage, the glucose, which is 6 carbon molecule, first of all break down into pyruvate, that is 3 carbon molecule. Okay, and this reaction occur in cytoplasm. So first of all glucose convert into pyruvate, that is pyruvate is a 3 carbon molecule, and this reaction occur in cytoplasm. So after formation of pyruvate, what will happen? So it depend on the presence and absence of oxygen. If pyruvate molecule does not get any oxygen, so in the absence of oxygen, pyruvate gives, in the absence of oxygen, pyruvate gives ethanol, that is called ethyl alcohol. Ethanol, it means ethyl alcohol. Okay, CO2 and energy, which we have read in anaerobic respiration in first case. Okay, so if pyruvate get oxygen but not in sufficient amount, that is in lack of oxygen, so in lack of oxygen, pyruvate gives breakdown into lactic acid and energy. But if pyruvate get sufficient amount of oxygen, so in the presence of oxygen, pyruvate break down into CO2, water, and 38 ATP energy molecule. So this is the pathway of breaking down of glucose molecule. तो बच्चों आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.